Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert your Google Docs files to Microsoft Word. First, open the specific Google Docs document you wish to convert on your computer. Make sure you are signed into your Google account to access all your saved files. A stable internet connection is important for a smooth conversion experience. This initial step is fundamental for accessing the right options later on. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top left. You will clearly see the File menu there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. Scroll down the list until you find the Download option, usually located in the middle section. Just hovering over this will show you the available file types, making it easy to see your next step. Now, from the expanded Download menu, click on Microsoft Word, DocX. This specific format ensures that your document will open perfectly in nearly every version of Microsoft Word. Google Docs will then efficiently process your request and initiate the download. The conversion happens quickly, usually within a few seconds, depending on the document's size. After selecting the format, a download prompt will appear on your screen. Choose a familiar place to save your new Word document, like your desktop or a dedicated projects folder. Giving it a distinctive name, for example, My Report Word version, helps you find it later. This ensures your converted file is stored precisely where you need it for future editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.